How does it feel to be free after 111 days?
It took me quite some time to get back to normal, because in this 111 days it happened so many times. Every time when I was going to the court, I was just under the impression that कि भाई आज छूट जाऊंगा या अगले तारीख को छूट जाऊंगा. And it was even Justice Waryava once mentioned that this is the last time. Then that was ending on 30th it was 30th June. पर हर वक्त यही आता गया, पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है. Something coming up again. And at one point of time there were 2 or 3 agencies waiting to pounce on me as if I was something, a commodity, very scarce commodity. So that made me lately to feel that as if I am going to take quite a long time before coming out. And the day when I heard his verdict, Justice Dudat verdict, I was not ready to believe it. I asked my lawyer, are you sure? Is there anybody waiting or anything else is hanging? Because again, after his verdict, it took 1 day for Vaikala jail to release me. They were also not sure what to do. They were so much habitual of me, they was not wanting to allow me
So
be a free
public
man.
hero to public villain number 1 to back to being public hero. It's been several swings up and down. How do you cope with your current reincarnation as public hero?
Only one my request is, I don't want bouquets. Don't give me brick pens. It's too much of a swing from top to the bottom, again bringing it back, and I won't say that I am hero. Let me be what I am, and I am proud of what I am. That's all.
You turned out to be a scapegoat in this whole scam, as they call it.
I just don't feel only. I have tried to even bring out in a very detailed manner, expressing how I am being victimized, how things are being discriminated against me. Like with other players, only first of all, the big gap is that this whole scam, or whatever you call irregularities, has been not committed by any one person or any one group of persons. It is the whole business. Lately it came out that yes, it has been the system of the market, and 80% of the trading volume has been going beyond RBI regulations. And to the surprise, even now the confession is there from the RBI that they were aware of it since last more than a year. So if they couldn't change it, banks, who were the deciding authority, who were the one who had the more of a say in the market, brokers are the small segment of the whole market.
You've stirred a hornet's nest by referring to Citibank's involvement in the scam, for which they've threatened to sue you, I'm told.
I haven't received any official communication from them, but that was somebody just now was mentioning that a newspaper is carrying a story there in Delhi that they plan to sue me. Fine, before that let them sue Janki Raman committee report and Janki Raman committee. Let them answer that.
You feel that the media has been fair to you or unfair?
I will put it this way, that media has been reacting extremes all the time, and virtually I can say that nobody has understood exactly what all has happened, and everybody has tried to explain the situation in their own fashion, and so much has come that if I read all the news, then I also will get confused at what exactly has happened. So I don't know what happens to the common man who has just been fed with so many informations and so many misinformations.
What do you think, put into an absolute nutshell, actually happened? What went wrong?
I think today I am not in a position to talk this, as the matter is sub judice, and it will be adding to more of confusion, because now the fact won't remain as fact with the background what all has been created. So better let me reserve my part of the view on that.
What do you see as the future of the stock market? Of the Indian stock market, that is.
I had been saying and I'm still very firm about it, that India is a turnaround stock on the global exchange. And it has all the signs. This Asian tiger is coming out of the cage. It's only a matter, I will not suggest for the speculators or short-term trader. I had always been talking about investors, and investors, if you go on, even averaging out on index basis also has made substantial money. Forget about the specialization and specialized approach. And it's not my view only. By the time already now, like Morgan Stanley has already declared that how India is potential. And I, being a creature of this market and what close with so much of a closeness I have been able to see this market, I feel we have one of the greatest potential markets.
Why did the stock market not suddenly welcome you out with open arms as one had expected them to?
They have become more sensible. I mean, Harshad Mehta out or in has got nothing to do with stock prices. I mean, you can't overreact. They know that if I am in a position to buy or sell shares, I can do it being behind the bars. And if I am not able to do it outside, because I am still right now bound by so many regulations and systems and environment.
So when do you hope to get back to business? What do you see as the key shares of the future?
Frankly speaking, I am really out of touch for last 4.5 months, 5 months. So I don't want to talk anything in particular.
But the shares that you backed, you had backed certain shares. Do you still see them as key players in the market?
I think I don't see any change in the potentials of those shares. It only depends that how things are shaping up now. And especially I will not like to, again, I will re-emphasize that I don't want to talk on short term. Short term market has got into quite a lot of shocks. And let the market get absorbed, let the market get adjusted to the newer situation. But otherwise I see the delay, whatever is taking place on the liberalization or the process, is the only delay for the stock market to move.
If you were to name the 5 stocks which are the stocks of the future, not the short-term future, but sheer investing future, what would you do? Which are the 5 that you would
Mr. Nandi, you can't get that 5 stocks out of me so easily. You have to pay the price for it.
What is the price?
Stock itself.
Okay. Citibank, what do you see as the future of this interface, or the future of this confrontation between you and Citibank?
I won't say I had picked up any confrontation as such. I was trying to just give out the facts, because nobody has been able to bring out, except at 2-3 places some journalists have brought it out. And it becomes, again, if I am made to state the fact, I have to give the fact what all is the fact in the market. And if I can help, as I have always been saying, that I am wanting to help the investigating agencies to unearth the truth, and that is going to exonerate me from the charges which has been levied. And this is one of the basic facts. So that's what I am doing it.
What was the interrogation like? What were the quizzing days like with the CBI and other?
Press the bell icon